How to grow bean sprout tall like that and clean. So this is our, hello guys, so this is our mung beans or munggo. I wash it already, and after that you space it like that. There should be a space because we are not mixing this one after that. And we have here a tissue paper. We will cover this one here. So it's there. We cover everything with tissue paper like that, and then we sprinkle a water in there. Now I have here a water. What I do is sprinkle like that until all is moist. This is first day, okay? We never mix this one until the sprout. We never mix this one. We just daily sprinkle with water. Now I'm covering it. It's done. We will hide this one in the dark place. Okay, that's first day. So hello guys, let's check. We plant this one March 29. Yes, it's very tall. Look at that. It's like almost 2 weeks already. My mongoose. Oh, see that? It's very important how to achieve this long bean sprout like that. I write in English. Never mix the grains or seeds once you start growing bean sprout. Just sprinkle with water until it grows tall. So, never mix. In Tagalog, huwag po haloin ang munggo habang tumutubo po siya. Para mahaba po ang tubo niya. O, ganyan ang tubo, guys. Mga 4 inch yan. Bisaya, ayaw og karawa or i-mix aron motaas ang munggos. Mao na daghan kaayo na sayop akong amiga. Kay ngano, pag tubo sa munggos, mga half inch, kikaraw-karaw na mura. Wala ni tubo. Ga-expect nga motaas. Nya in French, ne pas mélanger les grains pour qu'ils poussent en longueur. Okay? Kaning katong tissue, anak man ano, kuan naka-sprinkle kag water. Kani ready naman ni i-harvest na ni nako. Tanawa puti kaayo, very white. And the leaves are big already. And all this thing here is already down. So it's easy for me to cut and put in the noodle soup or salad. Check that, very clean. And you're the one doing. Okay, that's it guys. I hope you understand this now. But I have an old video of growing this. I separate French and English and Bisaya and Tagalog. But this one I mix. So, check that. It's beautiful, huh? Very beautiful. Okay. Yeah. How to grow bean sprout tall like that and clean.